Okay, yesterday we tested the Playdate's networking capabilities, and today I thought, why not get Futureland on the Playdate? Because if we have networking, we can just use this as a tracking device throughout the day and then in the evening sync it to the rest of Futureland. So let's look at how Futureland looks like on the phone first. It's an iPhone app that I built with Kent and Vin a couple years ago. And it is a habit tracker, so here you can see all my habits and the streaks and also some goals that I have. For the video challenge, I want to reach 100. I want to also go 100 times to the gym this year. And I can see the entries that I already did today. So if I log the videos, as you can see here, everything increases. But let's quickly delete this again and let's look into the Playdate version of it. So here's the Playdate version. Let's start it up. You can see it also has the Futureland branding. It's very boring. It's not using the crank or anything, and it looks a little bit different. It's a list, not a grid, but you can see it has all of the same trackers that I have on my phone. So I can go here and say, did I contact the family today? I did. You can save that. And I even get a nice little sound effect. And now you can see it is done, and also the streak. And what else can we put down for this list? Maybe also, oh yeah, skincare already did today. And then I would say this is definitely also a good day. And I have to be honest with you, this is using Swift code that I also used in the iOS app, which is pretty much time saving for me, but it is not running really well on the Playdate because the code for the iPhone is based on some complicated sync system. So everything on the iPhone is local first, and then it gets synced with the Futureland server, so you can use it on multiple devices and so on. And let's trigger sync here. So we tracked the skincare and the good day and the contacting the family. And now we can click here and we can sync it. And you will see on the bottom left, we're going to start the sync. And what it's doing now is it connects to the Wi-Fi and then pushes all of these changes to the Futureland servers. And as I said before, this was a little bit tricky, and I would probably have to optimize it for this to be faster because the Playdate doesn't have a super powerful processor, and it is not super performant to do the same computations that we currently do on the phone, because on the phone we completely work with the data set offline live, so the user can use it offline wherever they are, which of course you can also do with the Playdate. But then for the syncing, we need to do some comparison, and that just doesn't really work well with hundreds of thousands of tracked things across years on the Playdate. But you can see it is up to date now. So let's see if those changes really appeared on the iPhone. And when we unlock this, we should see, yes, skincare is here, good day is here, and contacted family is here as well. So this is great. I think this is pretty cool because now we have this little device that is not distracting at all. It just can sit on our table. Oh, and by the way, we can also see all of the tracked stuff here. So we can see everything we tracked already. And yeah, here's the tracking interface. And I think this is pretty cool. As you know, like I'm really into more intentional computing recently, thinking about how to use my phone less because it's very distracting and just not built for the creative work that I'm trying to do right now. So I'm trying to get as much as I can from that into like a non-distracting interface. And I think using this with the Playdate is pretty powerful because the Playdate is not really that distracting, right? There's no push notifications. There's nothing that can come from the outside except when you really like trigger something to use networking, like the sync here. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this as my daily habit tracker instead of the iPhone. So I can just use this little thing here instead of this super annoying little thing here.